application of engineering knowledge, methodologies that humans have experienced and put to test. They have arrived by research and understanding and education. So, if you ask a politician to build this bridge, he will come stuck because that individual has a mind of a goldfish, even less. They're good at sitting around at a table talking nonsense and thinking that it can work. No, the only way it'll work is coming to a conclusion by evaluating the current given circumstances and what we have with our environment. If you ask the bridge engineers here, how did they manage to build this bridge without ever destructing the weight it's going to carry across the Colorado River? They did a calculation, they looked at the material that was available to them. They had their previous experience from Great Britain, I would say so. And all of that knowledge combined together with other. Kansas City was where the steel structures came from for the bridge. With all of that combined knowledge of understanding, they managed to conclude and come to the conclusion of constructing this bridge. No political understanding has ever been. The only understanding of political nature would have been to make money out of this bridge, having to cross from one side of this Colorado River or the canyon to the other side. Yes, folk, so your politicians are no good for your human upgrade or the human standard of living, or to upgrade your standard of human life. They're good at talking nonsense that will make you feel like an idiot, and you will fall into their trap. Their political words that is deceiving us, and it's called the agnotology. The word is called agnotology, which has been used for almost centuries. They're deceived and lured and receive favor for their own good and distracted the normal way of life for many humans across the world. That is politics to you and me, and that also relates to religion. They do exactly the same to innocent humans across the world. You ask any bridge builder anywhere in the world, how did you manage to get that load across the bridge? They say, we test the tensile stress of that steel girders and the arch, and we come to a conclusion that it can bear this amount of weight to carry a carrying capacity at any one given time on that bridge across the Colorado River. Yes, folks, a simple way to put it, a simple way of explaining it. If you ask a politician, they will confuse you. They can't explain to you simply because they don't understand enough about the subject. You can't come with a discussion to conclusion that it's going to work. You need to do research. You need to arrive at it by doing lots of experiments. Yes, it is the facts. Methodologies, technicalities, those are what we require. Human creativity, ingenuity is given the opportunity for us to arrive at solving human problems. Everything we do has a human element connected to it, and they are human problems. They're not political, they're not religious, they're not money-oriented problems. They're creation of our own. Okay, said enough. It is only a bridge, but there's a lot of work gone into it by so many people working together in one direction for one purpose, to build that bridge so it's not going to break when a load travels on it. That was the main intention and purpose of building that bridge, to make sure that they can cross safely, cross that Colorado River without getting hurt or without crashing under the weight that you are when you travel across that bridge. Thank you. isn't enough. There's so much you can understand along the way. Try and see how you can relate yourself to wherever you are.